Hello Carla, how are you?
Good.
Now yesterday we met with your mum and dad and we talked about the three-way conference goals. We already came up with them actually, didn't we? We focused on time management and maths mentals. Maths is an area that you want to get better at and improve in. One of the agreements that we said we'll do is make a video now and then we'll make a video in December and see how far you've come from what you know now and what you're going to know, or hopefully know, in 6 weeks' time when you prove with evidence all the things you've been learning about being able to calculate in your head instead of always use a pen or a pencil to solve sums. Alright, are you ready? So just share some of the strategies that you do know. Show us as much as you can on the whiteboard with how you think about numbers and work strategies in your head to solve them.
Well, I can't really do much. I can usually only do addition and subtraction and mental in my head.
So multiplication, division is a bit trickier, yeah? Alright, so give us an example of what you can do with addition or subtraction.
Well, the technique that we learned, before when we put it on top of each other,
Okay.
I can do that in my head.
Can you show us exactly what you mean?
I can do this in my head, like this kind.
So you can do the vertical.
Yeah.
What about doing some of the things we've been working on? For example, how would you work out? Like, can I write one? See if you know it. What about doing something like 89 plus what equals 135? Okay, 56. Can you explain how you got to 56 by showing your thinking down here? Show us exactly what you're doing in your head. Okay, so you did that in your head. Now, let's just wipe this out. Yeah. Alright, what about something like this? 89 is very close to what number?
It's very close to 90.
It's very close to 90. Now to get to 90, how many did you have to add from 89 to 90?
1.
So plus 1. Now let's get that number to 100. That's a friendly number to work with. How many did you add from 90 to get to 100?
10.
Plus 10. We want to get to 135. So 135. What did we add to get to 135 from 100?
35.
35. So, what do we need to do now with these numbers?
Plus the top.
Okay, so what's 35 plus 10?
45.
Plus 1?
46.
46. So, what did you have here? 56. But the answer is 46. So this is a strategy that we actually need to work on. So when we film this back in December, I'll give you something similar like this and see if you could work on this and some other maths problems in your head. Sound like a good deal? Yeah? Is there anything else you want to share or add while we're videoing this right now? Okay. How do you see yourself as a mathematician?
That's
Alright, this is a line, and this is really a flyer, and this is someone who's not really confident. Where would you be on that? Around there. Alright, I'm gonna ask you the same question in December and see if this actually can move a little bit more towards this end. Sound good? Alright, so see you in December.
See you in December.